Ever wondered how to skyrocket your online business growth? The secret might lie in your email marketing strategy. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can drive significant results, but the first step to harnessing its potential is setting clear, measurable goals. When setting these goals, remember the acronym SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Say you want to grow your email list. A SMART goal might be, increase my email list by 20% over the next 6 months by offering a free exclusive ebook. But setting goals isn't enough. It's crucial to track and analyze your email marketing metrics, such as open rate and click-through rate, to measure your progress and adjust your strategy if necessary. Tools like Google Analytics can help you keep a close eye on these metrics. Remember, setting clear and measurable goals is the first step to successful email marketing. Now that you've got your goals set, it's time to build your email list. This is a crucial step in your email marketing journey. Your email list is more than just a collection of addresses. It's a community of individuals who have explicitly given you permission to share your content, your products, and your ideas with them. So how do you build this list? It starts with offering something valuable to your target audience. No one wants to hand over their email address without something in return. This could be a free ebook, a handy guide, an exclusive discount, or even access to a unique webinar. The key is to offer something that resonates with your audience and provides them with genuine value. But creating this offer is just the first step. The next is to get it in front of as many eyes as possible. To do this, you should utilize every platform and channel at your disposal. This could mean promoting your offer on your website, via a blog post, on social media, through landing pages, pop-ups, forums, or even directly during customer interactions. The more places your offer exists, the more opportunities you have to collect email addresses. Remember, every email address collected is a direct line to a potential customer, a person who is interested in what you have to say and, more importantly, what you have to offer. So, take the time to build your email list carefully and strategically, because in the world of email marketing, it's quality over quantity. Building a robust email list is critical to your email marketing success. We've covered the basics. Now let's delve into some best practices for email marketing. First off, let's talk personalization. Everyone appreciates a personal touch. In 2024, personalizing your emails will be more crucial than ever. Use your recipient's name, reference past interactions, or tailor content based on their preferences. This can significantly boost engagement and make your emails feel more like a conversation rather than a broadcast. Next up, segmenting your email list. Not everyone on your list will be interested in every message you send. Segmenting your list allows you to send targeted messages to specific groups based on criteria like demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels. This means more relevant content for your subscribers, leading to higher open and click-through rates. Finally, optimizing for mobile. With more than half of all emails now being opened on mobile devices, it's essential that your emails look great and function well on smaller screens. Ensure your design is responsive, with clear calls to action and easy-to-read text. Remember, the key to email marketing success lies in delivering value. Make your emails helpful, informative, and engaging, and your subscribers will look forward to hearing from you. By following these best practices, you're setting yourself up for email marketing success. So there you have it, a quick guide to boosting your online business with email marketing. We've explored how to set SMART goals for your campaigns, the importance of building a robust email list, and shared some of the best practices for email marketing heading into 2024. Remember, these are just a few of the 33 tips and tricks you'll find in our comprehensive guide on the website. This guide will help you delve deeper into the world of email marketing, optimize your campaigns, and ultimately increase your conversions and revenue. It's a treasure trove of insights, advice, and actionable steps designed to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of email marketing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your peers, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to check out the comprehensive guide on our website. Thanks for watching.